Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I thought I would do a different video for you guys. I thought I would unbox my box this way. The only reason is that I have really bad breakouts at the moment on my chin, like really bad due to wearing a mask. I had to go out this week for work and things like that, and so my chin is really bad right now, and I didn't want to put more makeup on top of it and make it worse. So I hope you guys don't mind. I know this is extremely different. I love for you guys to see my expressions and things like that when I open my boxes, but I just thought I would give this a try. So I really hope you don't mind. I got it in today. I was supposed to get it yesterday, but I did not. And so I wanted to quickly get this put up for you guys so you guys can see what I got in my premium Boxycharm. So I did already open it, and of course it looks like this, like it does every month. Right there, looks like. So we're just gonna dive in. I did not get a card this month, unfortunately, which tells me that they just put a box together. The box was one of the ones this month that really didn't get, like, I don't want to say an effort, but just kind of like leftover stuff. Not that that's necessarily a bad thing, because whenever you get a printed card, I feel like they actually took time to pick your choices and stuff like that. So with that being said, let's just go ahead and see what we got. So the first thing I see here is Dermalect, I think is what it is. Extra large lash volumizer. It looks like this. Let's turn that around. That is what it looks like right there. I'm assuming it's a mascara or something. Lash booster. Sorry guys, I'm not used to recording like this, so I'm hoping it's showing you. Eyelash serum that helps the eyelashes grow. Let me see what it says on the packaging. That will probably help. Oh, okay, it says transforms lashes to appear longer, thicker, fuller, and stronger. Specially formulated to target thin, weak, brittle lashes. Formulated with a strengthening trio of active multipeptides. Conditioning treatment works to bolster, moisturize, and fortify. Unbeatable coverage and volume. Excellent for brows too. That's very interesting. I have never heard of this type of product, so we'll be keeping that. We'll be trying that out for sure. Item is the CEO Sunday Riley Vitamin C Rich Hydration Cream. I'm super excited about this. This is what that looks like. It's very big container. I'm so glad I got this. It's a 1.7 ounce. It says that it's infused with 5% vitamin C. CEO moisturizers, deeply hydrating without being greasy to visibly brighten dull skin. Fights the signs of dehydration and damage and provide advanced antioxidant support. Formulated with THD ascorbate, whatever that is. A powerful, jar-stable, and highly targeted vitamin C derivative that prevents and repairs the visible signs of premature skin aging while being significantly less irritating than other forms of vitamin C. That sounds great. Let's see what it smells like. Like a yellow. Ooh, it smells like oranges. It has like a yellow tint. There we go. Very nice. I'm not going to put my hands in it because I am not ready to use that as of yet. I have so much skincare I'm trying to finish at the moment, but this is definitely a keeper for me. I'm sure it's pretty expensive. I know Sunday Riley is very expensive, so definitely very excited about that. So far I think I got a good box for what I've seen so far, so let's go ahead and move on. Next item I see is a MAC satin lipstick. Ooh, I didn't know they work with MAC. Okay, this is in the color Spirit. I have a couple MAC lipsticks, not a whole lot, but I have a few. All right, guys, that is what the packaging looks like. When I get your typical bullet, everybody's familiar with that. Oh, it's a pretty color. It has some, like, on the top of... Oh, this might be an old lipstick. Oh, do I want to use that? It has, I don't know if it's just maybe from being in the heat. And I don't know if you guys can see that or not. Like some, Maybe it's from the heat, I don't know, but I don't know if I'm gonna feel safe using this on my lips because it has like some bubbles on it. But that is what it looks like. It's a very pretty shade. It's almost like a mauve coffee toned, I would say. It smells really nice. I'm gonna check on that though and see about those bubbles on it because I don't know about that. But yeah, I do like the MAC lipsticks. I haven't bought any of them in a very long time because I still have two here that I'm trying to pan, and I'm not really a big fan of MAC anymore like I was back then. So yeah, but I'm really glad to have that. It's beautiful. I would definitely be using that. The next item is the Fenty Beauty Fairy Balm Shimmer Powder. This is in Coppa Chill. Put my camera up just a little bit. It looks like that. Hopefully it comes, oh wow, I don't think I'm going to be able to use this at all. It comes in the little, you know, it's like a mini size, like the powder that I have. That is the shade. Can you see that? This is definitely not going to work on my skin, I don't think. Yeah, what is it? Let's see what it says. It says it's a super fine shimmer hyper luxe powder. That's all it says. So I'm assuming you could use this on the body. I don't think it's for the face. There's no way this is for the face because it has a little sifter in there. Yeah, I don't think that I would be able to use this. I'll have to look up some more information about this. I may have to clean all my fingerprints off of it and pass it because that is just way too dark. There's no way, not even on my skin. Like if I did it on my body, there's no way that would look good because I'm so fair-skinned. Okay, next item. This probably goes with that. I'm not sure. This is the Fenty Beauty Portable Contour and Concealer Brush, number 150. It says precise, effortless sculpting, magnetized and always on standby. So this is what it looks like. That's the packaging. This is what that looks like. It's very pretty packaging. Oh, that's a neat brush. So it's just like that. And it's very dense, so you definitely could use it for concealer. You can use it, wow, that's really pretty. I really like that. I like that a lot. That's very nice. And then the last thing I got in my box, is this Ciate the Editor Palette New England. Looks like that. Sorry, not trying to blind you guys or anything. Right there. I think I've seen this on a few spoilers. It just says mix and match the metallics and mattes for intensely dazzling looks. That's about it. This is what it looks like. It's very, very pretty. The packaging is very pretty is what I meant to say. Has a very big mirror. Right there. See how beautiful those are? Gorgeous, gorgeous shades. I do like this palette. I think it's very pretty. The packaging is very nice as well. Always excited to get palettes. I mean, do I need another palette? Obviously no. But it's always nice to get palettes. So I'm really glad about that. So I have to say for this box is $35 a month. I always forget to tell you guys right up the bat. Tax, it's about $37 and some change. I think overall I am pretty sure I got my box's values worth. I'm happy with every product except this one here, the Fenty shimmer powder. It's way, way too dark for me. I'm very, very sure I won't even be able to use that. So a little disappointed in that. And kind of worried about the lipstick just because it has those bubbles on there and I don't know if it's old or what. So I'm going to definitely be looking into that as well. But other than that, the palette, the Sunday Riley, very excited about. The lash serum or whatever you want to call that, as well as this Fenty brush. I would say if I were just to keep these items Possibly the MAC lipstick as well, just depending if it's old or not. I may have to ask for a replacement, which I have had to do a couple of times now. But I think overall this was a great, great box, especially for what I paid, even if I don't keep this. So I will definitely have the overall value at the end of the video. It will be in the description as well below. So definitely check out there if you are interested in what my total retail value was. But I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's a little different and not what you're used to, so I apologize. But again, I just wanted to get this filmed for you guys so that you guys can see what I got. Because last month my boxes were very, very late. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know down in the comments below if we were Boxycharm Premium Twins or what you got that you were super excited about in your box. I'd love to know that. Or if you also have your unboxing video, let me know that down in the comments as well. And I'd love to go over, check out your channel and watch your video as well. So thank you guys again so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.